everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you a Dollar Tree Christmas haul. So this is episode 14 in my huge I Love Christmas series. You guys, I love to share with you how you can have a boutique, a gorgeous home on a teeny tiny budget. We have been totally jamming out on Christmas crafting with over 50 DIYs for the 2019 season. So you guys need to catch up on any more of those Christmas DIYs. I'm definitely going to link a huge playlist of DIYs decorating. We've even done a whole Christmas tree so far. So without further ado, let's jump into this fun and fabulous Dollar Tree Christmas haul. Okay, you guys, I'm crazy about the Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments. I have to share with you guys these fun and fabulous sparkling glam ornaments. So they come with a little bit of glitter, and actually the fallout for Dollar Tree is not too bad. And they come with beautiful little pearls on it. I grabbed some in the Christmas trees and also the pretty little ornaments. And then they also had some kind of champagne silverish gold color. And then I do believe they may have also had the just regular gold. But I picked up several of them and I actually used them in some DIYs and to decorate this tree. But I did go ahead and pick up some more because they are so fabulous and gorgeous. The next thing you guys know I am crazy over are their cute little signs. So I did go ahead and grab a couple of these. I grabbed the Farm Fresh Christmas tree. I also found the little Merry Christmas. I love these because they look kind of vintage this year, you guys. How fun is that? And then they also have this Hohoho with the little Santa belt. Now they are just kind of that particle board. They come ready to hang though. And what I love about these signs is they are like the perfect size to just sit in and around any kind of little vignette or decor. You guys may have already kind of noticed that I'm using some of them. I just could not resist, but definitely check out the tiny little signs. Now I am still on the hunt for that little red truck sign. My Dollar Tree does not have out any of their larger signs, so I know I'm gonna go crazy because I've seen people showing them, so I cannot wait to find them. Comment and let me know how you guys found the cute little red truck sign. And they also have a little Glam Camper. And speaking of camper, how cute are these little adorable campers? Oh my goodness. So they come two to a pack. They are red and silver and sparkling, and oh my goodness, how fun would these be to decorate for kind of like a farmhouse style tree or a themed tree. I think these would be great for a kiddo's room. Just, oh my goodness, I just think these are adorable. I definitely know they would be more than $1 in another store. Another thing I also picked up were these adorable little Nutcrackers. So I got one in the black and silver and also one in just the more traditional colors. Now these are really adorable, but I will tell you that they're plastic, but I think they're super fun to set around. Again, coffee bar. These would make great ornaments. We may even do a DIY repaint with them. So for my kitchen decor, I'm going to be using some gingerbread funsy theme. I did find this adorable gingerbread stocking. Now how cute is that little smile holding the little peppermint? I even like the way it kind of looks a little bit vintage chic with the little pom-poms. You guys could even add some more funsy little goodies to it if you wanted to do a DIY with this, but I did go ahead and grab a gingerbread stocking. And then I also grabbed this super cute little gingerbread container. I think this will be fun to put just some goodies in it, you know, candies. You could even put some little Christmas ornaments. It would also be great to have on hand to, even if you wanted to stock, you know, up on maybe even some stuff for when you're getting sick, and just, you know, have this cute little gingerbread to kind of bring you a little lift to your day. Another fun little thing that I grabbed to go along with my gingerbread theme was this little gingerbread tin. So it did come in blue, but it has little hearts on it and little swirly candies. I don't know, you guys, there's just something about gingerbreads this year for my kitchen that I'm probably going to go over the top with. And then I also did just go ahead and pick up this cute little red and white plaid. It would also be nice to go ahead and pre-make up some little gifts that you could set by your front door when you get busy with the holidays and you have to have a grab and and go gift. That might be something we do like as a DIY, see what we can fit in these little cute little boxes, or you know, maybe just to lift somebody's spirits. But I thought these were super adorable. I'm also looking for some of those larger plastic ones with the little red trucks that I've been seeing out as well. Another fun find to look out for are the Dollar Tree scarves, you guys. Oh my goodness, I am over the moon that they have the buffalo check plaid in the red and black, and it is this longer men's scarf. You guys have probably, if you've been watching my channel, maybe seen I've been doing some DIYs. We've made stockings and pillows and all kinds of fun stuff already. And then of course I bought as many of these as I could find at our store. I'm crazy over this pattern and color. And also, if you guys can't find the black and white scarves at your Dollar Tree, definitely check Walmart because they are going to have that same fabric as well. Another fun find that Dollar Tree is putting out are their super adorable little miniature houses. Now again, these are plastic, but I think these are so fun. We put out a Christmas village every year in our entryway, and I went ahead and grabbed this cute little bakery, and then I also grabbed this little house, and it actually says only intended for battery operated LED tea lights. So I guess you could buy like a little tea light and put it inside to make it twinkle and shine. I just thought these were cute. I have kind of a DIY plan. If you guys see these, go ahead and grab them if you want to craft along with me. To go along with the houses, I did go ahead and grab some of their white sparkling Christmas trees. These are definitely more in other stores. And I don't know if you guys know this, but you can actually dye these little trees different colors. And I also did just go ahead and grab some little miniatures with the little fence post and the house to go with my little village set that I want to do. Now, if you guys have been bit by the Christmas crafting bug, go ahead and grab some of these little wooden goodies. These are great to do with kiddos, grandkids, and I grabbed a star, and then I also grabbed this cute little ornament. These are just super fun. I shared with you guys a couple of DIYs already for the Halloween and fall season, so definitely check for some DIYs with those. Another great little gift idea are some of their really cute mugs. I love this. It says great ideas start with great coffee. You guys know me, every single morning I try to post an Instagram story saying good morning to you guys with my first cup of coffee. It is my most favorite time of the day. I also think these can make great stocking stuffers, last minute gifts, you know, fill them with some goodies, and you can really lift somebody's spirits by having a cute little gift with a cute little coffee mug. Another fun and little fabulous Christmas craft item that Dollar Tree is putting out are these mesh tubings. So I went ahead and grabbed one in a red and also in a silver. I think these are fun to use to add into wreaths and garlands. So I cannot wait to share the DIY I have planned for you guys. And then along with the mesh tubing, I went ahead and grabbed some more Dollar Tree mesh. So I found some in the red and the white, and also this little candy stripe white and red. I grabbed a couple of rolls of the Dollar Tree mesh. Another fun and fabulous find is this Dollar Tree gift bag. It says holiday greetings, and it has that buffalo check plaid in the background. Definitely check out Dollar Tree's gift bags. It's one of my favorite places to buy gift bags, and I'm gonna probably use this for an upcoming DIY. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Another thing to look out for are these cute little Dollar Tree ladies gloves. So they have kind of this little fur trim at the top, and it feels like they're kind of a little bit of a fleece. I went ahead and grabbed these so I could stick them in my pocket for the football games because it is getting really cold where I am at. So if you guys are in a winter state, check the Dollar Tree gloves. Now, they're not the highest quality, you guys, but definitely they're great to have around, and I think they're really cute. I'll let you guys know how they wear. Another fun and fabulous find that I love that Dollar Tree does are their Snuggly socks. Now, I feel like their quality is okay on their Snuggly socks, but they're great to add to stocking stuffers, and I am a Snuggly sock crazy person. I love Snuggly socks, and so I did go ahead and grab this pair in the pink with the little kitty cats on the end. You guys know I have a cat named Tinky, so definitely check out the fun little Dollar Tree Snuggle sock. Another fun and fabulous find to keep your your eye out for is this family kitchen calendar. It says Family Kitchen, Our Recipe for Life, and it has some really fun frameable little pieces in the calendar. So check out the Dollar Tree calendars. I have used these for stocking stuffers. You can also repurpose and reuse them for some crafts, but I felt like this was a really good deal for $1. This is a 2020 calendar. It's a 12-month calendar, but I thought this was really cute, so definitely be checking the Dollar Tree calendar section. That is going to be it for this Dollar Tree haul. I have so many fun DIYs and home decor projects planned for you all. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of my little crazy crafty mama journey here. I'd love to share with you guys how you can have a boutique gorgeous home on a teeny tiny budget. I love to do a ton of Dollar Tree and thrift store DIYs, thrift store outfits of the day. I also want to share with you guys a little project I've been working on. I'm blinging out my glue gun. I do have a video on how to bedazzle your glue gun. If you guys are interested in that, I'll leave it in the description box below. It's super easy and fun and not very practical if you're actually using it to DIY with. I'll use mine just a little bit, but definitely if you're doing heavy crafting, you want to stay away from this, but it's fun and it also makes a fun little novelty gift as well. So again, thank you guys to the moon and back. It is a true blessing and an honor to have you all here. Crafting is so good for your soul. This is my happy place with you guys and my glue gun and home decors. I hope you guys are loving it. Again, this is episode 14 in my huge I Love Christmas series. We have done over 50 Dollar Tree DIYs for the 2019 season. I did a huge compilation video sharing all those DIYs with you guys. And if you guys need to catch up on any of the home decor and DIY videos, I'm going to leave the I Love Christmas series playlist in the description box below. All you guys have to do is click on that and you'll have a ton of decorating and DIY inspiration and crafts that we have already done. So I have so many more ideas planned for you guys. I cannot wait to share with you guys. Thank you guys for being here. It is such a blessing and an honor. And again, crafting is good for your soul. It's a therapy for me. I'd probably be in the nut house if I didn't have my glue gun, sparkles, and paint. So I love you guys so much. I'm hugging you so tight. Wishing you a gorgeous, blessed day. Until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.